showing you how to make a camera follow the player. So the first easy way to do this is to just place the main camera underneath your player, just like that. So in some cases this may not work because of some of your player movement may be different from the simple player movement. So for me, whenever I move forward, it's really nice, but like whenever you like move back or front, it seems to be weird, so it won't follow as I want it to. So to fix this, I mean, you could use this technique if you want, but like the easier way to do it is to just code a script from scratch. So this is how you do it. So you just create a C# script, and I'm gonna call it camera follow, and I'm going to apply this to the camera. So before I do that, after you've tried this method, just grab the main camera and drag it to the bottom of your hickory. So here you select the main camera and grab the camera follow script into the camera. After you've added the script, you just double click to open the script up. We need to write the code. If you do not want to write the code, you could just click on the first link in my description to copy the code and paste it into your editor. So if you just click on the link and copy the code from my description, so you need to make sure to change the public class name to what you've named in Unity. So here it's named camera follow, so it has to be the exact same as used in the editor. So if you mess up this step, the code will not function. So let's get started coding. So first, let's add some the terms we're gonna use in the code. So here I'm gonna add public transform target object. So this is the first term we're gonna use, and then the second one we're gonna use public vector 3, and I'm gonna call this camera offset. So this public transform right here, it's gonna ask for the player which the camera is gonna follow. And for camera offset, this is if you want a RPG type of game of look in your game. And we need to add 3 more terms. So public float a smooth factor equals 0.5f. Public bool. And now in the void start, we need to write camera offset equals transform dot position equals minus target object dot transform dot position. Instead of void update, we need to write here, we have to write void late update. So in here we need to write vector 3 new position equals target object dot transform dot position plus camera offset. Now we need to write transform dot position equals vector 3 dot slurp brackets transform dot position comma new position comma smooth factor. Now we need to create a if statement. So if brackets look at target, and now we need to write brackets and enter. Here we need to write transform dot look brackets target object. After all that, now we need to go to Unity. So now we need to select our camera and place it in an angle so that it's facing on top of our player, like a third person view. So your camera might be like this, so it might be like this and like rotated just like that. So if your camera was set like this, you can't see what's in front of our player. So I would prefer to angle the camera in an angle like this, so you can see in front of our player and we could dodge the obstacles. So now to test this, we need to click play. Before that, we need to drag our player into the target object here, and you can, it's as it best suits your game. And now to test, we need to click play. So now as you can see, the camera follows my player as I want it to. So the camera stays in place whenever my player rotates around. The camera does not rotate. So thank you for watching. Please like, and if you like my content, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on new content that's coming out.